Mining and construction are the backbones of our modern world. We rely on these industries for essential resources and infrastructure. Yet, these jobs come with inherent risks. Both miners and construction workers face hazardous conditions daily. This essay delves into the dangers of these two vital professions. We'll compare their working conditions, fatality rates, and common accidents. By understanding these risks, we can better appreciate the importance of safety measures and the bravery of the men and women in these fields. Mining involves extracting valuable minerals from the earth. This can take place above ground, known as surface mining, or below ground, known as underground mining. Conditions vary, but both types present risks. Miners often work in confined spaces. They face potential exposure to dust, fumes, and noise. Heavy machinery and explosives are common, increasing the risk of accidents. The work is physically demanding, requiring strength and endurance. Miners work long hours in challenging conditions, often in remote locations. The isolation can add to the mental and physical stress. Despite advancements in technology and safety, mining remains a dangerous profession. Construction, on the other hand, focuses on building structures. This can range from roads and bridges to skyscrapers and homes. Construction sites are dynamic environments. Workers operate heavy equipment, work at heights, and handle hazardous materials. Weather conditions can change rapidly, impacting safety. Construction workers face risks of falls, being struck by objects, and electrical hazards. The work is physically demanding and requires precision and coordination. Like mining, construction involves working with a team in potentially dangerous situations. Communication and adherence to safety protocols are crucial. Both mining and construction have higher fatality rates compared to other industries. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, in 2023, the fatality rate for mining was X deaths per 100,000 full-time equivalent workers. Construction had a fatality rate of Y deaths per 100,000 full-time equivalent workers. These numbers highlight the inherent dangers of both professions. While mining has historically been considered more dangerous, the gap between the two industries is narrowing. This is due, in part, to improved safety regulations and technological advancements in both fields. Section 5. The ever-present threats. Common accidents in mining. Mining is one of the most hazardous occupations in the world. Despite advancements in technology and safety protocols, the industry still faces numerous risks that can lead to severe accidents and fatalities. Mining accidents can be catastrophic. The aftermath often involves emergency responses, rescue operations, and sometimes tragic loss of life. The impact of these accidents extends beyond the immediate victims, affecting families, communities, and the industry as a whole. Cave-ins are a constant threat in underground mines. These incidents can occur without warning, trapping miners and making rescue efforts extremely challenging. The structural integrity of the mine is crucial, and even a small oversight can lead to disastrous consequences. They can trap and injure or kill miners. The psychological toll on survivors and rescuers is immense, often leading to long-term trauma and stress. The importance of regular safety drills and proper training cannot be overstated in preventing such incidents. Explosions caused by flammable gases like methane are another serious risk. These gases can accumulate in the mine, and a single spark can trigger a devastating explosion. The use of proper ventilation systems and gas detection equipment is essential to mitigate this risk. These explosions can lead to multiple fatalities and long-term health problems for survivors. The injuries sustained can be life-altering, requiring extensive medical treatment and rehabilitation. The emotional and financial burden on the affected families is often overwhelming. Other common mining accidents include the use of heavy machinery and vehicles in mining operations introduces additional hazards. Proper maintenance and operation of this equipment are critical to ensure the safety of the workers. Haulage accidents involving vehicles used to transport materials. These accidents can occur due to equipment failure, human error, or poor site conditions. Ensuring that vehicles are regularly inspected and that operators are well trained can help reduce these incidents. Machinery accidents such as entanglements or crushing injuries from heavy equipment. The sheer size and power of mining machinery mean that any malfunction or misuse can result in severe injuries or fatalities. Implementing strict safety protocols and regular training sessions is vital. Slip, trip, and fall accidents occurring on uneven surfaces or from heights. These are among the most common types of accidents in mining. Ensuring that walkways are clear and that proper fall protection is in place can significantly reduce these risks, and respiratory illnesses caused by prolonged exposure to dust and fumes. The health of miners is constantly at risk due to the inhalation of harmful particles. Providing adequate protective gear and ensuring proper ventilation can help safeguard their health. Section 6. Hazards on the horizon. Frequent accidents in construction. Construction sites present their own set of dangers. These environments are bustling with activity, heavy machinery, and numerous workers, all of which contribute to a high-risk setting. Falls from heights are a leading cause of death in construction. Whether it's from scaffolds, ladders, or roofs, the risk is ever present. Safety harnesses and proper training are essential to mitigate these dangers. Workers often operate on scaffolds, roofs, and ladders, increasing the risk. The higher the work, the greater the potential for severe injury or fatality. Ensuring that all equipment is secure and workers are vigilant can save lives. Being struck by objects is another major concern. Tools, materials, and debris can fall from above, causing serious injuries. Wearing hard hats and maintaining clean workspaces can help reduce these incidents. Falling debris, swinging loads, and moving vehicles pose constant threats. Construction sites are dynamic environments where hazards can come from any direction. Proper signaling and communication are key to preventing accidents. Other common construction accidents include slips, trips, and falls, which can occur due to uneven surfaces, misplaced tools, or poor lighting. Electrocutions, contact with live wires, or faulty electrical equipment. Electrical hazards are particularly dangerous because they can cause severe burns, cardiac arrest, or even death. Regular inspections and adherence to safety protocols are crucial. Trench collapses, workers becoming buried in unstable trenches. These incidents can be fatal if not addressed immediately. Proper shoring and trenching techniques are essential to protect workers. Machinery accidents, similar to mining, involving equipment rollovers or malfunctions. Heavy machinery requires skilled operators and regular maintenance to ensure safe operation. Overexertion injuries, strains, sprains, and back injuries from heavy lifting. Proper lifting techniques and the use of mechanical aids can help prevent these common injuries. Ensuring workers take regular breaks and stay hydrated is also important. Section 7. A shield against harm, safety measures in mining and construction. In the high-risk environments of mining and construction, safety is paramount. These industries are fraught with potential hazards, making stringent safety protocols not just a regulatory requirement, but a necessity for the well-being of workers. Both industries have stringent safety protocols. These protocols are designed to mitigate risks and protect workers from the myriad dangers they face daily. From the moment a worker steps onto a site, they are surrounded by safety measures that are meticulously planned and executed. Mining regulations address ground control, ventilation, and the use of explosives. Ground control ensures the stability of mine structures, preventing collapses. Ventilation systems are crucial for providing fresh air and removing hazardous gases. The use of explosives is tightly controlled to ensure they are handled safely and effectively. Construction safety standards focus on fall protection, personal protective equipment, and hazard communication. Fall protection systems, such as harnesses and guardrails, are essential to prevent injuries from falls. Personal protective equipment including helmets, gloves, and safety glasses shields workers from various hazards. Effective hazard communication ensures that all workers are aware of potential dangers and know how to avoid them. Training is essential in both fields. Regular safety training sessions keep workers informed about the latest safety practices and technologies. These sessions cover a wide range of topics, from basic safety procedures to advanced emergency response techniques. Workers must be educated on safety procedures, hazard identification, and emergency response. Understanding how to identify and respond to hazards can mean the difference between life and death. Emergency response drills prepare workers to act quickly and efficiently in the event of an accident. Technology also plays a role in enhancing safety. Innovations such as wearable safety devices, automated monitoring systems, and advanced protective gear have significantly improved safety standards. These technologies help to detect and prevent accidents before they occur. Gas detectors warn of hazardous atmospheres in mines. These devices continuously monitor air quality and alert workers to the presence of dangerous gases, allowing them to evacuate or take corrective action before harm occurs. Proximity sensors on construction sites prevent collisions between equipment and workers. These sensors detect when a worker is too close to heavy machinery and automatically stop the equipment, reducing the risk of accidents. Despite these measures, accidents still occur. When they do, it is crucial that workers are prepared to respond quickly and effectively. Immediate response can mitigate the severity of injuries and save lives. It highlights the importance of continuous improvement in safety practices and individual vigilance. Safety is an ongoing process that requires constant attention and adaptation. By staying vigilant and continuously improving safety measures, we can create safer working environments for everyone. Section 8. Weighing the risks. Comparing unique dangers in both industries. Comparing the dangers of mining and construction directly is challenging. Both industries have inherent risks, and the specific hazards vary depending on the type of work being done. Mining often involves working in confined, dark, and potentially unstable environments. The risk of catastrophic events like cave-ins and explosions adds another layer of danger. Construction, while generally above ground, presents significant risks from falls, falling objects, and electrocutions. The dynamic nature of construction sites, with constantly changing conditions and activities, adds complexity to safety management. Section 9. Conclusion: respecting the risks, appreciating the workers. Mining and construction are essential industries that come with inherent risks. While safety measures have significantly improved over the years, accidents still happen. Both professions demand a high level of skill, focus, and adherence to safety protocols. It's essential to respect the risks these workers face daily. Their contributions to our society are vital. We must continue to prioritize and improve safety in these industries to protect the lives and well-being of the men and women who build and fuel our world.